let's see what Amazon brought me today. Yes, I've ordered something, but I can't filming really with one hand and with one hand open the package. Okay, here it is opened. What's inside? Oh, wow! My favorite tape. It's a metric tape. This is in centimeters, but it exists also in inches, and I like it because it is sticky. I don't know if sticky is the correct word, but it is adhesivo. Okay, so you can stick it on fabrics, as you can see. And now let's see how I can use it for. Here you can see the centimeters. Maybe you can use for pleating. You know, those small pleats you always get mad with. Okay, here is a piece of fabric. This is very, very slippery, so I couldn't do very well, but here with the tape it's very simple to make also very, very tiny pleats. And also here you can see on the other side. And now let's go to the okay, now we can remove the tape, and this is the result, as you can see. And you can then refine the trim as you like.